This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Are you looking for an all-brick rancher west / a full finished basement and a huge garage / workshop on unrestricted land? Look no further. This home offers an abundance of privacy and views, all wrapped up in a well-maintained home that has 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. The den in the basement could be used as a 5th bedroom if needed. Hardwood floors throughout most of the main level, cathedral ceilings in the living room, full kitchen on the main level and a second full kitchen in the lower level, oversized 2-car garage, and don't forget, this home comes with a 25 kilowatts Generac Whole House Generator and a detached 36 by 28 garage / workshop with its own 200 amp electrical service that is plumbed for a bathroom. Don't miss this opportunity. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.